Just the full start.
Just your average twin turbo Camaro, nothing to see here. Alright, so we're riding out. Tyler, pray for you. Shit, pray for me. Look who's driving. Get in, we're dying tonight. Coming to you live from Hialeah, wherever the fuck we are. Mr. LSX, Fire Chicken over here. Guy, can you tell us a little bit more about the build?
Can.
Okay, let's try it again. Can you tell us a little bit more about the build?
Scan.
Pero venga, hermano, usted no entiende lo que le estoy diciendo. I want to know more about your stupid car, man.
That's all we got. Cam only.
Joseph, I'm coming back to West Palm Beach. Fuck this. So, we got the guy who swiped for the parts and the guy who built the car. Somebody want to give me a rundown?
Stock bottom end, LS3, head studs, fuel system, AGP Twin 62s, running on E85 with Meth,
Injectors.
1200 cc.
How much did it make?
750 on 13,000.
Just made 826, bud. How do you feel?
Like a fucking champ.
Like a fucking
I'm just behind the guy behind the computer. They tell me what to do.
10 pounds. If I rode 10 pounds, then I'd be used to it. I'm scared. I'm scared of this thing right now, man.
I would be coming from a 6-cylinder to 8-cylinder.
Instead of probably making like 840, 850 when he cleans it up.
Alright, so we'll hit it on 850
15
then.
pounds of
Fuck
it.
it.
15 pounds.
I wonder how big he thinks his nuts are right now. You excited, Pumpkin?
Yeah.
Kill mode, 15, 16.
Okay.
So on 16 pounds, probably make like 860, 870. Maybe it's more now that you should put a little bit more 85.
Yeah.
Six, you can go like 16. That's like super chill.
I'm going to take you for a drive real quick.
Yeah.
And then I'll do some base settings.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Let me feel.